Trust Wallet is all about ease and security on mobile. Let's walk through how to connect Qubetics and a quick tip for Android users facing gas fee bugs. Supported platforms: Android mobile app, browser extension Chrome, Edge. iOS is not supported due to App Store policy. Android steps: open Trust Wallet on your Android device. Click Manage Crypto, then tap plus Add Custom Network. Input the following: network name, Qubetics. Currency symbol, TIX. New RPC URL, https://rpc.qubetics.com. Block Explorer optional, https://tixscan.com. Your network is now selectable in-app.